Hello everybody, welcome baby. Nah, I'm from New Orleans, but I can fake a little accent if you don't mind. We are staying at the Hilton Riverside. Now I actually work for Hilton, so I can't tell you how much I pay, but we'll keep that on the hush for now, okay? Shh. This is NOLA, a museum. To be honest, museum was a little short for us. Still cool, but to be honest, this guy saved the day and they are relocating, so we'll give it another shot. Okay, cool. Now these baby probably the best beignets you're gonna find in New Orleans, better than Cafe Du Monde. Yeah, I said it. You see the accent on point now, huh? Watch out for that piano. You know Charlies are always fun. For some reason they love this baby song by Justin Bieber. Maybe looking back because they say baby a lot, but I love the song too, so of course I don't mind. Oh, let's not get flagged. Let's go down Bourbon Street with us. You know I had to try. But this is Bourbon Street, little sample, yeah. This is a parade they had. It was a political parade. Didn't know they had those, I guess. But in New Orleans, anything goes. And everything goes, actually. Yeah, that's Elon Musk. If you zoom in a little, yeah, you can see that, right? Yeah, kind of weird, but still cool to see. Yeah, different, right? Okay. So don't judge me, but this is at the VU Museum. I highly recommend this one. You go up and there's views of the city. You'll see that a little later on, yeah? This is the St. Louis Cathedral Church. Right in front of the church, they like to have these street shows. Super dope thing to see, yeah? Now, after you wear yourself out on the streets, you know you gotta eat, right? So this is Fleur de Cafe. Super good, super good. Highly recommend. Definitely go there. Fire, fire, fire. And here's some more baby for you if you didn't believe me. See, I'm working on my accent still, huh? But yeah, fire. Still. So there's actually a huge Caesars casino right across from our hotel. Super cool. Don't gamble, but yeah, super cool. This is another view of the NOLA. This is how it starts, and they take you in a couple other rooms, so we'll keep going from there, right? So if you like malls and shopping like me, then I would definitely stay at the Hilton Riverside. There's literally an outlet mall connected to the hotel. You don't have to go outside. Some more Bourbon Street for you, some more baby, of course. So this is the view I was telling you about from VU Orleans. It's a whole 360. You come to New Orleans, you gotta come here and see this. You've got to, I promise you. So New Orleans, you're gonna get a lot of people trying to hustle you. This guy right here, Cedric, he's the best though. He will literally hustle you into some fire food just like that. Look at that. Oh yeah, and you know we had to get the merch too, you know? Cafe Du Monde. Even though they weren't the best beignets we had out there, a little dry, but gotta admit, merch is fire. This sign is like a minute walk from our hotel. Oh yeah, let's not forget Drago's, super popular restaurant out there, and it's literally in our hotel we stayed at, so highly recommend Hilton Riverside. Yeah, don't forget it. So this is the Caesars Superdome for my guys and girls that like football. And this is the Smoothie Center for my people who like basketball. Yeah, like me. You know how we do it. Oh yeah, so we went to so many places on Bourbon Street. I can't even tell you what the name of this place was, but music was on point, of course. Oh yeah. This is another point of view from the VU Museum. You know, I don't like to keep my videos boring, like mix it up a little, so, you know, get to see a little bit of everything. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I tried duck for the first time. I really didn't want to, but the waiter hospitality was just too good, and she was like, if I don't like it, I could just take it back, so. But I actually did really enjoy it. Yeah, it was actually really good. I'm trying to remember the name of this place. It's on Bourbon. We got recommended it from someone who worked there. Give me a second. Oh yeah, Rhett's house. Yeah, check out Rhett's house on Bourbon Street. Super good, super fire. You're lucky. Oh yeah, she probably won't like me posting this of her, but you know, she's beautiful. That's my girl, my wife, my queen. So yeah, love her. This Willie's famous fried chicken, see it everywhere, like literally more than Popeyes. I know it looks a little dry, but it was actually really juicy, better than Raising Cane's. So this area, we're actually walking from the NOLA Museum, literally everywhere you can walk to in New Orleans, pretty much. But this is called Crescent Park. Kind of sketch, but still, cool, right by the French Market. So here's another look at the VU Museum. Yeah, really cultural, historic, informational type thing. Really digital too, really modern, so highly recommend. Of course, yeah, some good music. Oh yeah, this place was I'm trying to see if I got the food, but oh yeah, we got some chicken wings, lemon pepper. I don't know if I got them on the video, but 10 out of 10 recommend. Yeah, just kind of look for this place next time you go. Another look at the VU. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Please like and subscribe to videos. I really love y'all. I really don't want to ask, but it really takes me a while to make these, and I really appreciate it, okay? Here goes another area of the parade that we seen. Same type deal, just weird. Yeah, just weird. Not really much to say about that, but next time you go, I highly recommend going before Mardi Gras first time, and then maybe work your way up to Mardi Gras, because you're going to see some parades. I'm telling you, they do parades like every other day, I promise you. But yeah, still kind of weird but fun. But yeah, they celebrate Mardi Gras 40 days before Easter. So this is what I call a people parade, but I believe they call it a second line, where they kind of just celebrate the people walking in front of them. And it's actually really cool because they're walking around, but there's literally a police car in front and behind them. So super safe. Yeah, gotta visit New Orleans, right? Oh yeah, and shout out my guy Cedric the Entertainer, my guy. As you can see, we hit it off. This is the House of Blues. Kind of cool in the alleyway, but wanted to eat here, but wanted something a little more cultural, so y'all let me know how it is. Oh yeah, and go Saints. Sorry, not sorry. Now this is actually a mix of Decatur, Bourbon, French Street, a couple of the other streets I probably forgot, but yeah, just check it out. Taking the vibes. No, I'm sorry I got flood y'all with the best beans and New Orleans, but yeah, Cafe Du Monde was cool atmosphere, but man, just a little dry. Cafe Benny is good too. I don't think I got it in the video, but yeah. So overall, New Orleans, I mean, the culture is probably the richest you'll ever get, especially in America. The vibes are outstanding, immaculate. Amazing. Words can't even describe it, really. I mean, just look at that, right? And I mean, just for the music alone, I mean, we got Fats Domino, we got Louis Armstrong, Professor Longhair, Lil Wayne, aka Lil Weezy Baby, Irma Thomas, Dr. John, The Views, the land, the history, and let's not forget that Bourbon, baby.